Good day, everyone. Welcome to WiseLink Academy. Today, we're going to be focusing on how to draw an involute of a square. Now, a question is given below. Draw an involute of a square of length 25 millimeter. So the first thing to do is to what? Is to draw your horizontal line. Let's see. Draw your horizontal line with your set of your T-square. You place your T-square like this. You draw your what? Horizontal line. As you can see below, with faint line. You can pick a point, any point, to be your point A. Point A. Can you see that? You take your meter rule. You measure out 25 because we are given what? We are given 20. We are asked to use what? 25 millimeter. Can you see that? So applying it, you measure 25. So from here, this is 1, 2, and 5. This is 25 here. You're taking it out. Can you see that? The next thing to do is to what? You should take your set square and project the line upward. You project the line upward. So doing that, I'll be having this upward different line. This is going to be point B. So going back to point A, draw a what? A vertical line upward. Can you see that? The next thing to do is to take your what? Compass and take the regions of point B and point A. So doing that, we're having this point B and point A. Can you see that? So the measurement to take it here, you strike an arc at point B. So can you see that? You come to point A, strike an arc. Or you strike an arc at point B and use your T-square to connect it. So let's taking out that aspect. So taking out this, we're having something like this. Can you see that? Taking out this, something like this. Taking out this too, like this. This is our square. So the next thing to do is to what? Follow the logic. What's the logic? The logic is just that this line you are seeing here, you project it like this horizontal. You project it horizontally. So you do it like this horizontally. Can you see that? Point B. So let's say this is our point C. This is our point D. Going to your point C horizontally. So you erase out all this line. You don't need it. So just remember your point B, you go to the right hand side, your point C, left hand side. So the next thing is to what? Take your set square at your point A. Point A, this point A, write it downward. Downward. So doing that, I'll be having this. Can you see that? Downward. You come to point D, upward. Can you see? So we have this. The next thing to do is to take the reading of point B and A once again. Take measure point B and A. Can you see that now? So put your pin of compass at your point A and what? Cut the readings, cut the arc. So doing that, you'll be having this. Can you see that? You're taking it. Can you see that? You take your measurement from this, you put your pin here, you cut an arc like this. So let's call this one R1, isn't it? You come to your point C upward here, you extend it. You see, you extend it to where it's meeting, and that's R1. Can you see that? At your R1, you can see, you take it to C, to point C, you'll be having something like this. So you have something like this, as you can see below. So the next thing to do is what? Take the radius from point D to that radius 2. This is R1, here will be our R2. Can you see that now? So expand your compass to radius 2 at this point. Can you see that? Then you strike an arc to the upper part of point D. Can you see that? The next thing to do is what? You come to what? Point B, extend it to R3. Here will be our R3, isn't it? Come to your point B, extend it to what? R3. You can see upward, extend it like this. You can see. After that, then you cut it downward. Let me show you what I'm doing. You take it like this from that point R3. Take it like this. As you can see. So we have successfully drawn an involute square of what? Of 25 millimeter. But if they're asking you to draw the tangent and normal to this, how do you go about that? If you want to draw tangent and normal to this, you choose any way of your choice that you want your tangent and normal to be. So let me just choose this point here. Can you see that? So you join this point to your point B. Doing that with your meter rule, you'll be having this. You can see. So this line you are seeing here is my normal. So this is my normal. So drawing my tangent, I can do my tangent in many ways, but it must be what? 90 degree to the what? Normal. My target will be 90 degree to the normal. So you take your what? Set square. Can you see that? You are using this edge. Or you take your what? 45 degrees, any one of your choice. So you are using what? This place. See, here is 90. It curves 90 degrees. So you place it on what? On this point. Something like this. Can you see that? You place it on it like this. So then you take your pencil, draw a line. You'll be having this. So then you take it like this, you draw it, finish connecting them together. You're having this. Can you see that? So these are what? Our tangent. This is our tangent, this is our normal, and this is our what? Our involute square. So if you find this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you. Welcome to WiseLink Academy.